Carmel versus Terrence Kent.
Trooper Terrence Kent stood with his lawyer in court to face charges of bribery and indecent sexual assault.
We are, however, asking for a stay away, no contact from the alleged victim, whose identity is currently being withheld as the victim of a sexual assault.
Prosecutors say the bribery and sexual assault case started in Brighton last August on Soldiers Field Road, when Kent allegedly used his cruiser to block the male victim's car. When the victim asked Kent to move, the trooper informed him that his registration and insurance expired and the vehicle needed to be towed. That's when prosecutors say Kent requested the victim to meet him at this Mass DOT yard in Arlington, where they could talk and work something out. Prosecutors allege if the victim performed a sexual act on the trooper, the car would not be towed. Today, District Attorney Marian Ryan said in a statement, quote, "The defendant in this case allegedly used his position of power as a sworn police officer to commit a sexual assault. These allegations, if true, are a blatant violation of public trust."
What is your plea of these indictments, guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Trooper Kent pled not guilty to the charges, and his attorney met with reporters outside court.
We haven't seen grand jury transcripts. We haven't seen any, lab results or testing. There's a lot more to be seen here that we need to evaluate.
Now, court documents do reveal during the time in question there were phone calls between the male victim and the trooper. But it's unclear if the trooper's body cam video was working at the time in question. As for that trooper, he remains on administrative leave. Live in Arlington, I'm Ted Wayman, WCVB News Center.